We have always looked up, to the moon, to the stars. We have always wondered, are we alone? For generations, this question has echoed through our civilizations. We built tools to peer into the heavens, from simple lenses to colossal observatories perched on mountaintops. Each new instrument peeled back another layer of the cosmos, until now, humanity has built a new eye. The discovery did not happen with a sudden flash or a loud announcement. It began quietly, as a strange inconsistency in a field of data. Astronomers were pointing the Webb telescope at a region known as a deep field, an apparently empty patch of sky. They let the telescope stare for hundreds of hours, its sensors soaking up every possible photon. What they found was something else entirely. Amidst the faint red smudges of primordial galaxies, there was a structure. It was unlike anything we have ever seen. It was not a star, nor was it a galaxy, nor was it a nebula. It appeared to have a degree of organization, a symmetry that seemed unnatural. To understand the weight of this discovery, we must first understand the machine that made it. The James Webb Space Telescope is the culmination of decades of human ingenuity. Its primary mirror is a marvel of engineering. It is not a single piece of glass, but rather 18 hexagonal segments, made of beryllium and coated in a microscopically thin layer of pure gold. This gold coating is perfect for reflecting infrared light. This magnificent golden eye needed protection from any source of heat that could interfere with its observations. So, engineers designed a sun shield the size of a tennis court. It is made of 5 layers of a special material called capton, each layer as thin as a human hair. Keeping the telescope at -233 degrees Celsius lets it detect the faint heat of the universe. How does a telescope see time? It is a simple concept, yet one that is hard to truly grasp. Every photon of light that strikes Webb's mirror has been on a long journey through an expanding universe. As the universe expands, it stretches the waves of light. This phenomenon is called redshift. Light emitted as blue or white becomes stretched over billions of years until it is no longer visible to our eyes. It becomes infrared. It becomes heat. The James Webb Telescope is an infrared detective. Its instruments capture this stretched, ancient light. Think of it like a cosmic archaeologist digging through the layers of time. The further it looks, the further back it sees. These images are not just snapshots of space, they are snapshots of time. This is why an ordered structure in ancient light is so profoundly shocking. The initial data arrived like any other, a stream of numbers to be processed and translated into an image. But as the computers churned, a handful of scientists noticed something was wrong. Or rather, something was too right. A pattern emerged from the noise, a structure that was too orderly. They thought it was a mistake, a processing error, a reflection, a glitch. They ran weeks of tests. Every test returned the same result. The object was there. It was real. Excitement mixed with fear. Reputations were on the line. They worked in secret, scrutinizing every pixel, every photon. Whispers leaked. Rumors spread. Outside the core team, the reaction was skeptical. They observed it again from different angles, analyzed its spectrum, and the results deepened the mystery. When all natural explanations begin to fail, we must be brave enough to consider the unnatural. Among the few who speak of it, the idea is called the Watcher hypothesis, a massive observation post, a sentinel placed in deep cosmos billions of years ago. Its purpose to watch, to observe the unfolding of the universe, the birth of stars, the formation of planets, the emergence of life. The scale is incomprehensible. To build something larger than a galaxy requires mastery of physics beyond our understanding. It is completely passive. It does not contact us. It sits like an unblinking eye. We are perhaps a specimen in a cosmic laboratory, and we have just become aware of the microscope. This discovery, if it holds true, shatters our cosmic solitude. But it replaces solitude with profound and unsettling questions. Who were the builders? Where did they come from? Where are they now? Is the structure a relic, a tombstone the size of a galaxy, or is it still active? Is it a single object or part of a network? Perhaps a beacon designed to be found by emerging civilizations. We have spent decades listening for radio messages. What if the most advanced intelligences are not interested in talking? What if they are simply watching? We can only look, we can only wonder. What does it mean to be watched? Whether this structure is an artifact of a forgotten civilization or a new natural phenomenon, One thing is certain. The universe is far more strange, mysterious, and wonderful than we have known. This discovery humbles us. It reminds us how little we truly understand. Scientists will dedicate their lives to understanding it. They will build new theories and new telescopes. This is the spirit of human exploration, to ask bigger, bolder questions. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, never stop wondering. The cosmos speaks in the language of light, gravity, time and space. For the first time, we are learning how to listen. Join us on this journey. Be curious. If this journey moved you, please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.